Hello, I'm Gavin Sykes and I'm going to do a little explanation now about VESA. For a great many years, Bang & Olufsen have used their own mounting systems for televisions and for loudspeakers. And a few years ago, VESA became very, very popular. Now, VESA is a standardised system of a set of 4 holes in the rear of televisions, and these will be at fixed intervals between 100 and 600 millimetres. And typically, most of the televisions that we're mounting these days are either a 200 or a 300 pattern, and that will be quoted as 300 by 200 possibly, or 200 by 200. So what we have done at STB is we have made modifications to go from the older Bang & Olufsen mounting systems to allow you to mount a modern VESA television onto your B&O stand or your B&O wall bracket. Now, at times we will ask you, or you will need to know, the VESA pattern. So there are 4 holes in the rear of the TV. You can simply measure them, and it's in millimetres, so it'll be 200 millimetres by 200 millimetres down. But if you are going to mount a speaker, we may want to know the Q factor. And the Q factor is the distance from the lower holes to the bottom of the TV cabinet. And this is because the mounting holes, the VESA holes, are standard, but the height that they are located on the rear of the TV is not standard. And when we want to mount a speaker, we need to know where those holes are positioned on the rear of the TV. So VESA is the rectangular square measurement, and the Q factor is the distance to the bottom of the TV.